Honestly, I don't think anything beats roasted potatoes in the oven. Like, if I had to eat potatoes with every meal for the rest of my life, I would be pretty okay with that, to be honest. Today I'll be sharing with you a sheet pan meal prep that I like to lean on whenever I'm in a bit of a pinch because it's so quick and easy to do: chicken and potatoes. Since potatoes take longer to cook in the oven than chicken thighs, I like to make the most of my time by marinating my chicken real quick while my potatoes are in the oven. So I like using store-bought pesto sauce because I've killed many basil plants over the summer, so it's just a lot easier for me to buy the pesto sauce from the store. And my second marinade is a pantry combo of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Trust me when I say that this is such an easy recipe that anyone can do it. So let's get started. Marinate your chicken thighs in around a cup of pesto, and I like to add extra minced garlic and some extra olive oil to it. Mix and let marinate in the fridge. Next, I halved around 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes and then added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of salt to it. Mix to combine. Next, I transferred it to a lined sheet pan and bake in a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. Next, I'm coating 1 roughly chopped red onion and 227 grams of mushrooms with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. After 15 minutes, take the potatoes out of the oven and make some room on the sheet pan for the onions and mushrooms. So my sheet pan isn't large enough, so I have a second sheet pan for my chicken, but if yours is large enough, put them all on the same sheet pan. Roast everything for a total of 25 minutes, flipping at the halfway mark. For the second marinade, I coat the chicken thighs with half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of paprika powder, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix to combine and then set aside to marinate while you roast the potatoes and the onions and mushrooms again. If you want to change things up, you can always try roasting stuff like sweet potatoes, some broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you feel like roasting. So wasn't that as simple as I promised? If you found the video to be helpful, I really would appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and also subscribe for more new recipes weekly. And again, if you're looking for the printable version of the recipe, you can find that link down below in the description box. Until next time, bye!